If you know me, you know I love a thrill. I love roller coasters, but every time you step on one of those crazy rides, there is some risk involved. Here to talk about it is Justin Watkins from Battle-Born Injury Lawyers. Now, recently there was an incident at the Circus Cirus with a woman actually falling out of the roller coaster. That's scary.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, people wonder what their rights are in those situations and who's liable, and it can depend on the circumstances. If inspections weren't done and protocol wasn't followed by the industry, then they could be at fault. If the passenger wasn't following instructions, they can be at fault for their own injuries.
But it sounds like this roller coaster did pass inspection. Other media outlets are reporting that. So are they off the hook?
That does not absolve you of liability. So in this instance, there's a whole nother question here where the woman who was hurt was a double amputee. And we don't know from the reports whether that means her arms or her legs were amputated, but there may have been a situation in which this person should not have been allowed to ride the ride in the first place.
And that's her personal responsibility, or the person kind of letting you go through and get on the ride?
Ultimately, the short answer for that is that would be for a jury to determine. You could say that the rider assumed the risk involved, or you could say that if she asked the Circus Cirus whether it was safe for her to ride and they said yes, that they are not absolved of the liability in this case.
Now, I like to ride with my arms up the whole time, and I know that you're not supposed to do that, so that would be my fault probably if I got hurt, I'm sure.
Right, that's why you see when you go on any roller coaster, there's like
Keep
12
your hands
rules.
Inside, I know, I never follow it. All right, if you need any kind of legal advice, give Battle-Born Injury Lawyers a call. It's 702-570-9000. You can get more info at battleborninjurylawyers.com.